fellow users, good day to you. Thought I'd do a short video of what I ordered. It's a docking station for my hard drive that used to be my computer, that Western Digital that I have a problem with. And I decided to get this. And I don't want to bore you with opening it up because it's sitting right there. The Western Digital is inside the gaming hard drive. I had my computer several times trying to get it working. See, kind of upside down gaming. And I would get a ticking noise or something like that. This would not work in this computer, even though it was a 2013 board I told you about. It works fine for me, but there's my icons. It's recognizable, and I went to plug it in my 3.0. Did not want to work because it's a 3.0 cable, so I plugged it into 2.0 in the back of my computer, and voila. Now that was showing 2. There it is right there. So I can probably put games on this if I wanted to, see if it works. It might be a lag, I'm not sure if it goes through the cable or not, but let me know in the comments if I can do that. There's my slave that I bought years ago. I bought this one last November and I had to replace it 4 times, but now it's been up in that thing there. No ticks, nothing. It works great. So I'll keep that docking station hooked to my computer. I had to run an extension cord to the adapter. And if you go on to Amazon, where I got it for, you won't believe how much I paid for this. No, I shouldn't say it. Total tax and all, $35 for that. Yeah. If you go on the website, look up that name on Amazon, there's a little video of a guy demonstrating it, and so I got it. It's got a little on and off switch right there. Cable and back, I can see it or not. There's the cables. It's almost like a printer cable, but a little different. It's got 2 little adapters to it. 2 different connections, I think 2 different voltages in the back for the hard drive, because it takes 3.5, 2.5 an SSD. Pretty neat. So that's in there. It's going to stay in there, and when I turn the computer off, that goes off, and when I can get my computer started up, I can turn that on after it's all done loading and use it. So I think that's just going to be it for the video. If I think anything I forgot, I'll put it in the comments. Give a like, dislike, subscribe if you want. Anyway, that's about it. Ciao.